Hey guys, welcome back with an outstanding video. Guys, in this video, we will discuss that if you're facing a problem that couldn't load high resolution image in Messenger in iPhone or Android. So how can you fix it? So guys, we can fix it very easily. So simply, if you're using iPhone, first of all, guys, you will make sure that you have an active internet connection. So after this, guys, there's the option of VPN. If there is any connected VPN, you may disconnect that. So if you're using Android phone, you will make sure that you have good working internet, because this is basically an internet issue. So when you have weak internet, this error will occur. So after this, guys, if you're using iPhone, you may open settings again, and you may click here on general, and you may click here on iPhone storage, and you may select Messenger from here. So after this, click on offload app and install it again. Then guys, you may go back and you may open your app store. So here you may open Messenger, and you will make sure that you have latest or updated version of this app. If you are not latest or updated version, please update your app from here. Then guys, you may go back and you may try to download your picture or video, and you may check your problem will be fixed, and now you can get high resolution images easily. So by all these methods, guys, you can fix it very easily. So this is the video, guys. For more videos, please subscribe our channel.